Yes, bounce off.
Good job.
And Ariel something, it's got paint.
Oh, that one fizzled. Did you see it?
Yeah.
These bats are freaking out.
Mm.
When Mom's looking, she gets it. Ooh, ah.
And then when like the one she really likes so much, she's like, the one she really likes. Oh, right. What if one popped up in the air? Oh, right. Didn't even
Yo,
move.
that bat is